Hi, I'm Amana Azur. I'm staffing specialist with TemPositions Health Care. We're looking for great candidates like you to join our team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a dietary aid position. A few of the responsibilities that you can expect from this role are setting up assigned tray line stations with appropriate items and preparation for meal service, preparing snacks, supplements, and tube feedings, accurately recording meals served, and monitor temperatures of food. If you have a high school diploma or equivalent, minimum 1 year food service, dietary or restaurant experience, preferably in a hospital or nursing home setting, ability to read and interpret common recipes, you could be a great fit for this role.
So we are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.